bills, acts, general laws, and the Code of Massachusetts regulations, you might ask yourself, what's the difference? This quick video will let you know what these documents are, how they relate to one another, and where they fit in the legislative process. A bill is an unpassed draft of a law that has been submitted to the Massachusetts legislature. These working documents are assigned a House or Senate document number, like House Bill number 1009 of 1986, petitioning for an official state muffin. Bills can undergo many different versions and amendments before they are signed into law. In order to become law, bills generally must be approved by both the House and Senate and signed by the governor, with some exceptions. When a bill is passed, it then becomes an act and is assigned a new chapter number. An act, or session law, is a law that is passed during a given year and is cited as a chapter. For example, this law is Chapter 54 of the Acts and Resolves of 1986, which decreed the state muffin as the corn muffin. Acts are used to add new laws and amend existing laws in the Massachusetts General Laws, the most up-to-date version of the Commonwealth's Code of Law. Most acts will be codified into the general laws. However, sometimes an act is too specialized and is not suitable to be codified, such as an act about naming a bridge. These are called special acts. The Massachusetts General Laws, sometimes referred to as the MGL, is the current code of law in Massachusetts and is available on the legislature's website. It is the result of codification of acts and is organized by subject, chapter numbers, and sections, all for easy access. For example, the act we saw earlier regarding the Commonwealth's official muffin was codified as MGL, Chapter 2, Section 28. The MGL, as well as more recent bills and acts, are available on the legislature's website. In addition to the MGL, the Code of Massachusetts Regulations, or CMR, is the state's administrative law code and contains regulations that are passed by state agencies. Unlike bills, regulations are passed and enforced by the executive branch and do not go through the legislative process. However, the CMR relies on the general laws as its legal authority. The CMR is where you will find regulations about licensing, public safety codes, and the state's building code, and more, and is updated every 2 weeks by the Massachusetts Register. An unofficial version of the CMR can be found on the Trial Court Law Library's website. If you have any questions about the legislative or regulatory process in Massachusetts, feel free to email us at reference.department@mass.gov or call us at 617-727-2590.